As we are heading towards summer, it is time for children to have vacation in school. You must be thinking, how does it matter as kids are full-time at home past 1 year? Hi, I am Parul Shah, psychologist, graphologist, worksheet designer and phonics expert. Vacation means holidays, and holidays are loved by children a lot because they can do whatever they want to do. So it is a duty to give them that free time, which is free play for the children. As in routine, they are jam-packed in their schedule. So we must make it a point to give them free time in which they can have free play with their friends, family, siblings, cousins, and even with their toys. In free play, they play a variety of games. In fact, they invent a variety of games which they just play with their friends, maybe role play, or they create a situation and then they enact. So all this increases their creativity a lot and also helps in bonding with their friends and siblings. They also get to know each other, and by observing them while doing role play, we also get to know them a lot, what is going on in their mind. So many times I tell the parents to enact and let them be the teacher and parents should be the students, so that the child will act as her or his teacher behaves. So you understand what is going on in school or in their classes. After few days, make it a point to curate a routine which incorporates everything balancedly. For example, sports, entertainment, studies, free play, and family time. All these aspects have equal importance and has equal impact on the child. So we should balance all these things. In the routine, develop few habits. For few things you should fix up few times, like at this time this activity would be done, or at this time we will be doing this, so that even the child knows that now I have to do what, and you don't have to every time say or nag behind the child, do this or do that. Please like and share this video. Please drop in your comments below as to what activities you are doing with your kids in the vacation, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. Happy summer, happy vacations.
Connect with us on Instagram, Facebook, Gmail, YouTube and LinkedIn. Thank you.